Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. It is a air purifier for pets, for pet hair and stuff. Let's see, let's open this up and we will set it up. Okay, let's see what we got here. It says air purifier. And it is, are we gonna be able to get it out of here? Might have to turn it upside down. There we go. Okay, everything's out of the box. And here we go. This is going to be it here. I think I'm going to have to take this off because there's no, where's the plug? Okay, we'll see here in a second. There's something else I'm missing. Tips remove the plastic packaging from the filter. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It's actually cute. I'm going to be putting this one here in my laundry room where Penny hangs out. So that's what it's going to be here. Clean air sensor. Let's see, what do I need to do to open it up here? Okay, let's look at the instructions. When all else fails, look at the instructions. Okay, looks like we're going to have to remove the filter. Oh yeah, I see it in there. Okay. Oop. So here we go. I have it balanced on something here, but that's okay. Well, balancing is not the best balancing. I don't want to drop it. Okay, so we have that and this. I don't know which side which way it goes. We'll go this way. I think. There we go. And then we put this back on. It looks like it clips there and there. Okay. And then I think there was one on the other side as well. Indeed there is. Take this one out. And there we go. Okay, we are all put together here. And we need to just get it plugged in and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off and get the plug going. But I do have my knife right here. Okay, so it's a 2-prong plug. The dog came running in. She heard that something fell. She's like, what can I grab? Okay, so here we go. I will plug it. It goes in down here at the bottom. You can see there's a little hole right there. So it will go in there. And then through the little side pocket there. So there we go. So now we have it set up, kind of, sort of. Okay, we have it on top of something. It is somewhat balanced. Let me go plug it in. Let me see. I'll be right back here. I have a little portable battery here. Let me turn the AC on. Okay, the AC is on, and I will plug it in. And up at the top, we can see our buttons to turn it on and everything like that. So let's go ahead and just hit the power button there. And here we go, PM 2.5. So it's gonna know, it's gonna track how much junk is in the air and turn it on based on how much it needs. Okay, and then we have I guess, different settings here on how much. Looks like automatic, night mode, make it dark. What is this one here? I think it's like different fan levels, lock, and reset. So we have all these different settings on there. So seems good. It's gonna filter out all the stuff. You saw there was 2 filters in there. Seems like it's sucking it in from both sides and blowing it up out top. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead, and this is gonna be the new air filter for Penny's little area, and hopefully keep it nice and clean as she hangs out there. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.